Hello guys, so today I'm going to show to you how you can apply for your ESTA from the UK. So ESTA, or Electronic System for Travel Authorization, is a document that you will need to apply for and you will need to have in order to travel to the US by land or by sea or air. So this document will show you if you are eligible to enter the US, and basically you will fill it out, or you should fill it out before you book accommodations or flights or things like that, in order not to waste your money. So you get an ESTA by going to the U.S. Customs and Border Protection website that says the official ESTA application. And once you are here, you are going to click on create new application. And if you are an individual, you're going to go on the individual application. Now, once you are here, you have read the terms and agreements, whatever, and we're going to click on next. Now, this part here, this is the first part of the application. We're going to enter your information. So you need to upload your passport, and also you need to fill out all of these columns and all of this data. So once you have finished this, you will enter your email address and confirm it. And once you have confirmed your email address, you will get a code sent to your email address, which you will then enter here on the website. And once you have entered this code, it will mean that your email address is confirmed and you are able to continue with the process of filling out this application. Now, once you have entered your information regarding your passport, you will need to add your personal information. Now, this part here will ask for your contact information, so it will ask for your address, the city, country where you're coming from, telephone, country code, or and your phone number. After this, it will ask for your social media, although this is optional, so you don't have to enter this information. Now, once you have finished this part, it will ask you for your parents' information. Above, you have the are you a member of the Global Entry Program? If you do not know what the Global Entry Program is, you should just click on no, because you are probably not a member of it. Now you go on to your parents' information, so you need to give your family name and family name of both of your parents and their first name. After this, you have the employment information. So if you do not have a current or previous employer, you can just click on a no, and you will be able to continue with this application. However, if you do have it, you will need to enter information such as the job title, employer name, its address, the country code, the country, and the phone number. Once you have finished with this part, you will then have to enter your travel information. Your travel information will start with the question: is your travel to the US occurring in transit to another country? So basically, if you are just passing through the US in order to get to a different country. Now, once you have finished that question, you will be asked for your point of contact in the US. So this information is regarding a person or a establishment. So if you are visiting the US to visit your family, to visit a friend, to visit a business wise or something like this, you will add a name of a person that that is a point of contact for you. However, if you are not visiting for these things, or you do not have a person that you can regard as a point of contact, you can just add the information of your accommodation. So your hotel name, their number, their address, the city where it's located, and everything else. Then it will ask you for your address while you are staying in the US, and if the address is the same as the point of contact address, you can just add this information, and it will it will fill out on itself. If it's not, you will just add new information. Then you have the emergency contact information in or out of the US. So this is a person that doesn't need to be in the US. This is someone that can be contacted if there is an emergency situation. And after this part, then they will ask you eligibility questions, and this is a series of different questions regarding health, regarding criminal activity, safety, and everything else. And your answer to all of these questions should be no, because any other answer is going to put at risk your eligibility and the status of your application. Now, once you have finished these questions, you will then be given the opportunity to review your application, so you can see if you have maybe made a certain mistake that you need to go back and redo. And you should be careful and review your application thoroughly, because you will not have an option to review it again after this part. And once you have reviewed your application, you will then pay. So ESTA is a paid service. If you for filling it out, you will have to pay $4, and if you get your application approved, you will pay $21. And then you are done and you wait for an answer. So yeah, this is the entire process. Thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.